In today's logo design tutorial, I will demonstrate you that how can we design this logo from very start to the very finish by using Adobe Illustrator. This logo is the combination of two elements, letter G and a magnifying glass. Now let's continue with the design process in Adobe Illustrator. So first of all, go to File and select New. Select the value of width to 1920 points and for the height to 1080 points. Then click on this OK. Now first of all select the rectangle tool, then left click on the page and you can see that a menu is appearing. Simply set the value of width to 550 points and also for the height to 550 and press enter. And you can see that a rectangle is drawn. We doesn't need the fill, so we will cancel it from this menu and assign it some stroke color like this black color. And from the value of stroke, we will set the value to 3 points. We want to draw another square, so simply left click on the page and this time set the value of width to 300 points and for the height to also 300 points and press enter. Now select the selection tool. Now we have to place this rectangle exactly at the center of this bigger one. So simply select both of these rectangles, then go to Windows and select Align. From the Align tool, simply select Align to Artboard, then click on this icon which says Horizontal Align Center, then on this one which says Vertical Align Center. Now we will minimize this menu, then select the Pen tool, left click on the page and to draw a perfect straight line, simply hold down the Shift key, move your mouse cursor towards the bottom and again left click, then to complete the shape simply press enter. Again select the selection tool, select all of these parts, go to Align and click on this one which says Horizontal Align Center and also on this one Vertical Align Center. Again minimize the menu. Now deselect all of these parts by clicking on the white area, then select this line with the left click of mouse, go to Edit and select Copy. Again go to Edit and select Paste in Place. Now we have two lines, one on the top of the other. Now we have to rotate one of these lines. So simply double click on this rotate tool and set the value of angle to 90 degrees, then select OK. And you can see that your line is perfectly rotated at 90 degrees. Now again select the Pen tool and now we have to draw a line from this anchor point to this anchor point. So simply left click at this anchor point and again left click on this one, then simply press enter like this. Now we are almost done with the reference geometry. Now we will continue with the regular logo design process. For this purpose, we have to select the ellipse tool, then hold down your left mouse button at this anchor point and drag it towards this anchor point like this. And to differentiate between the parts, we will simply change the color of this circle. So go to this menu and assign it this orange color. And from this stroke menu, simply set the value to 55 points and press enter. Now we want to reduce the opacity of this circle to have a better visual impact. So go to Windows and select Transparency and set the value of opacity to 55 and press enter. Now again we have to draw a circle from this anchor point to this anchor point. So again hold down your left mouse button at this anchor point and drag it towards this one like this. Also reduce its opacity to 55% and press enter. Now to have a better visual, simply press Z on the keyboard to select zoom in and out tool and zoom in this area like this. Then select the selection tool and left click on this smaller circle and now we have to select this scissor tool. Now left click on this intersection point and again click at this anchor point. Then select the direct selection tool, deselect this circle by clicking on the white area, then select only this part and press delete. Then select this circle with the left click, again select the scissor tool, then click on this intersection point and then on this anchor point like this. Again select the direct selection tool, deselect this object by clicking on the white area and select only this part and press delete like this. Now select the pen tool, then left click at this anchor point and again left click at this intersection point, then press enter to complete the shape. And now we have to convert all of these sharp corners into the rounded ones. For this purpose, simply select the selection tool, left click on the white area to deselect any of the selected part, then hold down the shift key, then left click on this circle, also on this one, and also left click on this part. Then click on this stroke and select round caps. And you can see that all of the sharp corners are converted into the rounded ones. Now again select the pen tool, and now we have to draw a line from this anchor point to this intersection point. So left click at this anchor point, then left click at this intersection point and press enter to complete the shape. Then select the selection tool and again click at this line, then go to stroke and set the value to 55 points, then click on this stroke and select round caps. To change its color, simply go to this menu and assign this orange color. Now left click on this circle, then again select the scissor tool, left click at this intersection point, and then left click at the point which is in line with this intersection point. And now we are almost done with our logo mark design. And now we can delete all of these reference squares and lines. So simply select the selection tool, left click on this square and press delete. Also on this one, like this. Now to reset the page view, simply press Ctrl+0 like this. Then select all of these parts, go to Object, then go to Path and select Outline Stroke. Then go to Pathfinder menu and select Merge. And now the random parts are converted into a single geometry. Now minimize all of these panels, drag it at this position, then hold down the shift key and also left mouse button at this handle and drag it like this. Then select the text tool, left click on the page and write the name, which is Go Find. Now the text is almost invisible. To increase its size, simply select all of the alphabets, then write a random value like 150 points and press enter. And also we have to change the font. I want to change it to Poly, so simply write POLLY, and here we have different options: polythin, light, regular. I will choose the bold dimensions. Then again select the selection tool, drag it at this position, hold down the shift key, then your left mouse button at this handle like this. Select both of these parts, go to Align menu and select Vertical Align Center like this. And this is for today's logo design tutorial. And now you can share your thoughts about the design in the comments section, that whether you liked it or not, or if you want to suggest any modifications. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.